Okay, this is part 2 of using Caesar Easy Subli to sublimate on a cotton and colored shirt, specifically a comfort colors shirt. It's a whole new world of opportunity for sublimation. In part 1, we sublimated our design onto sublimation paper, cut it out using our Cricut. Then we cut out the outline of that same design on the Caesar Easy Subli. Now let's put it on a shirt. Set your heat press to 345 and 30 seconds. I think she wants to help. Always preheat your shirt first. Place your Easy Subli shiny side down. Lay down a protectant and press it. Let it cool down a little bit because you're about to want to line this up perfectly. And if this is still hot, this might prematurely transfer. Okay, sublimation paper placed and taped and all lined up perfectly. Lay your protectant again and press. Okay, this part is always terrifying. Ooh, oh my goodness. Heavy crafting.